Today we are going to show most simple face mask to reduce wrinkles at home. There are many home remedies that we have tried so far with many natural ingredients, but today you will know how only 2 ingredients can be so effective when applied routinely. When there is something talking about some DIY homemade anti-aging face mask, believe me, the first thing comes to my mind is natural aloe vera gel. This ingredient alone is very powerful to make your skin glowing, wrinkle-free. And the process we are going to show is the best. If you have any doubt, you should follow this for 2 weeks at least. You will definitely reply me with your benefits. Let's talk about some scientific reasons behind this. Aloe vera has vitamin A, C and D. Aloe vera has been shown to increase collagen production in the skin, which helps to reduce wrinkles. It also gives younger looking skin and radiant skin. Another natural ingredient to slow fine lines and wrinkles down is yogurt. The lactic acid present in yogurt will help dissolve dead skin and tighten pores. If you're looking to try out a yogurt face mask at home quickly, then this one is really great to make your skin wrinkle-free naturally. Wrinkles aren't just signs of aging. They also develop because of stress, bad lifestyle habits, and toxins from the environment. There's absolutely no need to spend money on expensive products to keep your skin looking firm and fresh. Rather, you should try this DIY anti-wrinkle face masks. It's been found that curcumin and turmeric increases cellular proliferation and collagen synthesis at the site. Collagen is the vital protein that keeps our skin firm, supple and young looking. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which inhibits free radical production, and hence controls aging by protecting cells from damage. Only healthy diet isn't enough. You should follow a good skincare routine for beautiful skin. So, try this all-natural anti-aging turmeric face mask for a natural and healthy glow. If you are using turmeric powder, then make sure you only use good quality and organic turmeric powder for your face masks to get the best result. Vitamin E oil works to block free radicals from the body. This basic antioxidant plays a large role in the aging process. So we are using 2 vitamin E capsules to make it more beneficial. It will reduce wrinkles and keep the skin youthful looking. So, as always, my suggestion is to wash your face well with a face wash before applying this type of homemade face masks.